All rise. The courtroom comes to attention as the judge takes the bench. Case number JVB 1065, Cruz. The air feels steady, routine. But beneath the surface, something personal is about to unfold.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Cruz, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
I recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Okay. How much were you making?
Mr. Cruz stands. He is calm but direct. He wants one thing, a reduction in child support. His income, he says, has dropped. Once earning $100,000 a year as a restaurant owner, he now brings in $78,000. A sharp decrease. The judge listens carefully, measuring every word.
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right, what are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay. So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly?
Yearly.
78.
So
the numbers are laid out plainly. From 6 figures down to 78,000. The judge doesn't react emotionally. She asks about layoffs, reduced hours, business strain. She wants facts, not feelings.
From about 100 to 78,000?
Yeah.
All right. Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it took a reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I've been.
Then comes another layer. A new wife. A newborn baby. More responsibility. The judge congratulates him, but quickly shifts focus. The child at the center of this case is 4 years old. A little girl. Her needs do not disappear because life moves forward.
I actually have a new wife.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and a newborn on the
Okay.
way. So I got more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn.
Huh?
The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl?
It's a girl.
All right. Your 4-year-old, who carries that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much is it?
$430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
I haven't really checked.
Health insurance becomes the next issue. $430 before the newborn. Now closer to $600 for the household. The math starts to tighten. The judge breaks it down calmly, about $200 per person. She is precise. She is calculating fairness in real time.
But I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600. 6.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So $600 just for them too?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, well, she's not on there.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you are. So it's about $200. If I take that $600.
Now the mother speaks. She does not agree with the reduction. She isn't asking for more, but she refuses less. Then she drops a detail that shifts the tone. The restaurant business looks the same to her. In fact, the only hours reduced were hers.
And divided by 3 is $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your wages decrease, health insurance somewhat increased. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
Yeah. I mean, pretty much. I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, I've been married. I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good, and I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
Okay. All right. Ma'am,
Yes.
is there anything you want me to know?
Yeah, actually.
All right. Are you in agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay. Tell me about that.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business.
The twist lands hard. His new wife is the manager at the restaurant. The ex works there too on weekends. The judge pauses. The dynamic suddenly feels complicated. Business and family, past and present, all under one roof.
I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Run that by me again.
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make do.
Okay, so you, him, and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on the weekends now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work out for the family.
Oh.
I mean, for the better.
If that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no. So you all get along?
Mr. Cruz blames the pandemic. Since COVID, he says, business has suffered. The judge acknowledges the reality. Many businesses struggled. It's believable. But then the mother offers another explanation for her reduced hours. She says the new wife doesn't like her there. The tension is no longer just financial. It's personal.
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and
Yeah,
things like that?
yeah. I think that
So since Corona
money is going
hit,
elsewhere.
since Corona hit, our business has took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You
Yeah.
know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to recover from that. So her hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
no,
Why
I'm
do
the
you think
strongest
you're-
server there
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Not when you're around.
Oh,
I haven't seen
sounds
that.
a little messy.
The judge pushes for evidence, documentation, proof that income hasn't truly fallen. The mother has suspicion, but no paperwork. Just a feeling that a new child has shifted priorities. That maybe the first child is being edged aside.
I haven't seen that. We don't. I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah,
As the dishwasher.
the hours.
So you're saying no, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
Well, I just think, like, him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should, make sure that the one you already have is taken care of.
The judge reframes it. If roles were reversed, wouldn't fairness matter? The mother hesitates, but agrees. Fair is fair. The courtroom grows quieter. The decision is forming.
And yeah, I think, just the support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was. And if the roles were reversed and you were in that situation, wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying is true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Okay. Well, I think that's fair too. So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, that your wages have decreased, and you kind of alluded to, not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're...
The judge calculates carefully. Gross income, $6,500 a month. Net, $5,157. She gives him credit for both children and for health insurance, but only the portion covering the kids. The new child support amount, $825 per month, down from $1,242, a reduction of about $300.
Saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Mm-hmm. Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have, and I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay? The new health insurance amount for $400. I couldn't give you $600 because it's only for the children, okay? So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so dollars.
So what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week.
What about them?
If we up the hours for, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her.
Then Mr. Cruz makes a mistake. He suggests increasing his ex's work hours to lower his support further. The judge's tone sharpens instantly. This case is about his income, not manipulating hers. Don't waste my time, she warns. The courtroom feels the shift. Boundaries are drawn.
Her hours?
Yeah, so last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
This has nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support?
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me
for
out.
his other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that. Don't do it. You have a legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
All right.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
So that's the final answer for the 800.
That's what I said, right? Yeah. I said it went from $1,242.
He fumbles the math, questions the yearly total. The judge reminds him he was paying more before. Does he want to go back to that? He quickly backs down. Sometimes perspective is all it takes.
To $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's giving you credit for the children that you already have, giving you credit for health insurance. What else could you be asking for? That's all I can do within the realms of the law.
I got a new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I'm supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month. What are you doing?
That's $9,900 a month. How much?
Okay. You were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$825.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Nothing further?
Yeah, that's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The ruling stands. $825 a month. The request granted, within the limits of the law. Both sides have spoken. Both sides have felt heard. In the end, from the bench, the judge makes it clear. I can only act within the realms of the law, and today, that's exactly what I've done.